I recently designed a neon sign that says Buddha saves. And I'm going to put that in my window. So when people kind of walk by, they're going to understand that Buddha can save. But it's not the Buddha comes out of the sky and comes and rescues you and saves you. Buddha saves, in this case of my neon sign, means that all of us have a Buddha inside of us. All of us have the Buddha potential. That Buddha potential is translated as we have a Buddha inside of us. And that Buddha inside of us can only be discovered by ourselves. The outer Buddha, the historical Shakyamuni Buddha, such as Shakyamuni, or other Buddhas, such as Tsongkhapa, they can show us the path to reach full enlightenment, but they can't give it to us. They can't grant it to us. It can't be a boon, it can't be a gift, and no matter what we do and how much we chant their names or mantras and prayers, they can't give us that enlightenment. So they can't really directly save us. So how can they save us? How does a Buddha save us? A Buddha saves us by they themselves practicing the path, eliminating all the obscurations in their mind, all the 84,000 obscurations in their mind, and the three main delusions. And then what happens is they become a Buddha. They arise as a Buddha. So when we practice the path of the Buddha, we become a Buddha. When we become a Buddha, the Buddha has saved us. The Buddha within us, the Buddha we have become. We are saved. Saved from what? Saved from anger. Saved from jealousy, desire. Saved from projections, wrong thinking. Saved from actions that create harm to others and ourselves. So when we become a Buddha, we save ourselves from those actions, and we save all those around us from those actions, which creates a lot of problems and sufferings and difficulties. So Buddha does save. And the way that Buddha can save us is if we implement the teachings of a Buddha, and we practice it, and we don't make excuses, and then we don't make justifications for failing, but we actually succeed in the practice. And when we succeed in the practice and we ourselves become liberated and we become Buddhas, then the Buddha has saved us. Thank you. Good luck.